In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Telegram to N8N. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your Telegram account to your N8N workflow. To do this, go over to your project and then you can either start a new workflow or open a pre-existing one. In here, you will have the option to add another step, and all that you have to do is look for the Telegram node. So Telegram is available natively on N8N, and connecting it is simple. So look for Telegram after you click on any node, choose it from here, and now you will see triggers and actions. So on triggers, you will have stuff like on callback query, on channel post, on edited channel post, and so on. You can hover over this question mark if you are curious. A trigger is a step that starts your workflow, and then you will have actions. Actions need to be triggered by another node at regular intervals with the schedule node, for example. So choose any of these. I'm going to select the first one as an example. Now, you will see the options here to set up your Telegram trigger. You can change the name, set up the parameters, and settings. If you need additional instructions, click on the documents, and you will see all of the events and all of the instructions related to Telegram. In here, you will have to create a new credential. So you have to connect your Telegram API. For this video, sadly, I cannot showcase you how to get this, but as long as you connect your access token from Telegram, it will be saved here as your Telegram account. So all that you have to do is search how to acquire your Telegram API and then save it from here. Once it has been saved, your Telegram account will be selectable and you can add the field. So make sure that you add the Telegram filter by connecting your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Telegram to N8N. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.